entire world has been going through the COVID-19 pandemic, we have spent so many months just sitting at home, not being able to go out and lead a normal life. Before this pandemic, the world has gone through many more pandemics, one of them being the Spanish flu pandemic caused by the influenza A virus. The influenza viruses are divided into four categories: A, B, C, and D, out of which influenza A is the most common type. Influenza is commonly called the flu. It is a contagious respiratory illness that infects the nose, throat, and sometimes the lungs. It can cause mild to severe illness and at times can also lead to death. The best way to prevent it is by getting a flu vaccine each year. For most people, influenza resolves on its own, but sometimes its complications can be deadly. Some people at higher risk of developing flu complications include: first, young children under age 5 and adults older than age 65. Second, people with weak immune systems. And third, people who have chronic illnesses like asthma, heart disease, kidney disease, liver disease, and diabetes. Influenza can cause mild to severe illness and at times can even lead to death. Some common symptoms include cough, sore throat, running nose, headaches, and fatigue. Fever is an important symptom, but not everyone with flu has it. The person may also have chills, pain in the muscles, and some people may have vomiting and diarrhea, though this is more common in children than adults. Most people recover from the flu within a few days and without any complications, but sometimes a secondary infection can develop, such as pneumonia, bronchitis, or an ear infection. Other complications include encephalitis, myocarditis, and even multi-organ failure. Moving on to the treatment, so most people get treated at home itself, but those with complications need to consult a doctor. Antiviral drugs can lessen the symptoms and they can also prevent serious flu complications. Other medications can be given to reduce the swelling in the nasal passages. If people are trying to get treated at home, they should rest, drink lots of fluids, stay at home, etc. Another topic that we can include here is the difference between a cold and a flu. So in a cold, fever is rare and there is a gradual onset, whereas in a flu, fever is usually present and onset is abrupt. In cold, chills are uncommon, but in flu they are fairly common. Sneezing, sore throat, stuffy nose. These are the symptoms common in cold and not in flu. In cold, chest discomfort is mild to moderate, but in flu it can be severe. So that would be it. Not a lot of new stuff to know about influenza, but thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy.